Welcome to the Global Commons. India's financial banking sector faced the various financial fraud like Nirav Modi, Punjab National Bank, Yes Bank. Now ICICI Bank is addition to this. The ICICI Bank's Chanda Kochhar case came into light first time in 2018. Without delay, let's see the detail of the case. For the case, it must be important to understand the three characters in the case. These characters are named as the Chanda Kochhar, Deepak Kochhar and Venugopal Dhoot, and all the case revolve around these three names. Chanda Kochhar, she was the former CEO and MD of the ICICI Bank. Next person is the Deepak Kochhar, who is the husband of Chanda Kochhar, and the Venugopal Dhoot, who is the owner of Videocon Group. 2019, after breaking the various barriers and the glass ceilings in the corporate sector, Chanda Kochhar became CEO of ICICI Bank. This year was important and she was known for the woman empowerment as a woman reached at the highest position in corporate sector. There was a committee for the loan approval in the ICICI Bank. As usual, in every bank such committee exists, and that committee was headed by the Chanda Kochhar at that time. There was one proposal from Videocon Group who asked for 300 crore loans, and this committee headed by Chanda Kochhar given sanction approval to this loan to the Videocon Group. So all this looks fine up to this stage. This is the usual banking business to lend and earn. But what's happened next? Videocon, after receiving 300 crores loan from the ICICI Bank, invested into New Power Renewable Limited. Worth of investment is 64 crore rupees. Now, this is done by Videocon, not by directly, but with the one mediator company that is named as the Supreme Energy Company. And interesting fact is that Supreme Energy Company owned by the Venugopal Doots, who is the owner of Videocon itself. Now, the one again interesting thing is that Nu Kumar Renewable Limited, which was started by Venugopal Dhoot and Deepak Kochhar, and Venugopal Dhoot invested in own company and also as a Deepak Kochhar. It may be the somewhat like a corporate decision, but what's happened that in 2009, Venugopal Dhoot transferred all his share to the Deepak Kochhar, means Deepak Kochhar will be the sole owner of this company. And this happened in the same year in 2009 when all loan passed given to the bank and invested, and Venugopal Dhoot made such a decision, and ultimately all money goes in the home of the Deepak Kochhar. That's the shows here. Not just this, between the 2009 to 2011, in span of 2-3 years, ICICI Bank given different loan to Videocon Group, and it has a worth of 1,575 crore. That's huge amount. Not just this, if you add the all loan amount to the Videocon from ICICI Bank, it is 3,250 crore loan. But one sad thing happened that some of the loan become non-performing asset, and because of that, bank faced some of the hardship. According to the CBI, their observation that this all things violates the such a provision like in the Banking Regulation Act, Bank's Credit Policy, and RBI guideline. Here is one mistake. Instead of CBI, I written the SBI, so be correct here. The CBI considered that 64 crore investment in New Power by the Videocon as a bribe for the in return of the loans approval of the 300 crore by Chanda Kochhar. So that's the observation of CBI. Now case reached in the Bombay High Court, and Bombay High Court gave the relief, some kind of relief, and asked the CBI to release them from the jail because according to the High Court observation, CBI didn't follow the arrest guidelines, and they didn't follow the CRPC 41A. So that's the observation by High Court. What is the CRPC 41A says? There is a need to give a notice before arrest, but the CBI didn't did this. So that's why Bombay High Court rejected the CBI's request to jail extension and asked them to release from jail. One thing one should note is that all the cases about shows that it is the case of the vested interest, cheating, fraud, and irregularity. Things happen with the Chanda Kochhar that shocking is that there is no retirement benefit for the Chanda Kochhar. She is expected to the 6 lakh crore 6 lakh shares in the ICICI Bank, but she is not getting that much share in from after retirement, and that's the shocking for him. And this all things happen within the Prevention of Corruption Act, and Chanda Kochhar facing the criminal charges under this act. So video end here. What you think on the topic, let us know in the comment section. If you like the video, then please comment and subscribe. Thank you.